Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Hina Imran and I hope everyone is doing well. I have this really nice website that is free and easy online tool to collect. It organizes and shares any web content that you want. You can actually make a website kind of page where you can share information with your students. So it's pretty useful. All right, so this is my dashboard or netboard, whatever you want to say. And this is a template that I had made for my grade. I will show it to you. So this is the board that I have made, which shows their work. We have video tutorials and we have pictorial steps of any art that they want to do. These are all the pictures that are on display that they can see. Then we have video tutorials where they can easily go and learn how to do different art things. Then we have pictorial steps. This is the Word document that I have embedded over here, and these are the texts that I have written where they can easily read it. For the Word, they click on it and it's going to open. See, you have the option of reading a Word doc right here in this board. And you can even download this. If anybody wants to comment, they can comment also. So let's learn how to make it. All right, the first thing that you need to do is go on netboardme. This is the website that you need to go to if you want to start making your netboard. I will log in since I've already signed up. And I'm over here. So now let's create the new board. This is your board and this is where you're going to create new netboard. We're going to make the same template because I have all the pictures and everything saved, so it's going to save me some time. So we're going to make the same thing that I had already made. All right, so I'll name it grade 1's art display. You have the option of putting it on private, or you can have the option of putting it on public. It's up to you. Let's make it private and we can just share it with our students. Layout and skin. When you click on this, you can take any template that you want. Let's take the first one. Then you can change the color of your skin also. So it has the option of share button, you have the option of voting and comments. If you want to allow other students or other teachers to integrate with your board, you can allow customization, and it will allow co-authors can change and customize skin and layout. All right. All right, so this is the netboard that you have and now you need to work on it. You have the option of edit over here and have the option of netboard. In netboard, you have manage access links where you want to give sharing to your students or to teachers, grant access. Then you have properties and other things that if you need to figure out on your own. We go to edit. And this is the header that's coming that we named our work. So this tab is the artwork and you can rename it also. You can add more tabs. Let's make it video tutorials that you would want to put. And this can be step by step. All right, so we have 3 tabs that we need to work on. Let's move on to this tab. Press upload. And I'll just randomly choose See, it's putting it all by itself. You don't even have to work on it. So here comes the display, grade 1's display. And now we go on to video tutorials. To put video tutorials, I'll need to go over here and I'll need to copy links. Now, either you can open YouTube or any other link and post it directly, or you can upload also. So this is how you're going to put your links over here. And now you have your art display. Then you have your video tutorials. And then if you want to do step by step, we can either have a text box over here. Now I need to put text in it. So I'll just click on edit text box. And suppose I've taken this. And I'll just paste this and put it over here. And if I want to put picture with it, I can click on the text box, and then these are the options that you can work around. Over here there is an upload picture button. If there are too much of text, I can click over here and then read more. So these texts will be hidden, and when we press this read more, then this will be displayed. All right. You can change the font, you can resize it, you can put hyperlinks in it, or you can color. Or see, if you click this picture, you can have the text besides it, or if you want it like this, you can have it like this. If you want the text over here in the middle, you can have it like this or this. So I just do it like this. And now when you click on this read more, it's going to take you to more reading. Now I can put additional information if I want to supposedly put any contact address. I can write contact Miss Hina Imran on this number. So you have this. Now if I want to change the whole outlook of this board, I can go to layout also. I can change the layout. I can change the skin if I want to, or I can customize it on my own. Now I want to change the background of this board. I will go over here. I'll go to seamless. I've already uploaded it, but I'll show you how to do it. Upload, and I did this, and I did open. So then this came at the back side. Now if I want to change the color of this area, I'll go over here and I can probably choose from here. So now I have display where the whole class can showcase their work, or the teacher can actually put in images if she wants the students to learn about that particular topic. We have video tutorials, and then we have step by step where all the text are there, or all the lectures could be here, and then we can even have a tab for quiz. So it's all on you what kind of tabs you want out of looking at the students' IQ, looking at the student grade level, and the project. So it's up to you what kind of a board you want to make. Either it could be a learning board, or it could be a project board where everybody can collaborate, or it could just be you explaining a particular topic in 3, 4, 5 different modes. You can exchange your videos, you can exchange your tutorials over here. So it's a good board where you can combine everything together and make it very interactive and fun for the children. So now I'll save it, and there we have, you have these pictures. You can comment on it, you can like it, and then you have videos where you can watch it very easily directly from here. Then you have step by step where you can download the Word doc that I uploaded, or you can read from the text, click read more, and then you have all the text over here. You can comment also and post. Now, how do you give access to your student? You go to Netboard, grant access, and you can put in their email, add, and then save. Or if you want them to collaborate, then you can manage access. You can generate a link where they can read and comment, or you can generate a link that they can edit in it. So that's about it. I hope you make brilliant boards, and I'm pretty sure you can do that. Thank you.